CapCut Seedance 2.0 still not arrived in your country, and now Grok is locked behind a subscription. But don't worry, I have something free for you and also unlimited. I have 10 Adobe Firefly to give you for free, and they includes also the Adobe Cloud package, Photoshop, Lightroom, etc. 3 months and unlimited credits. I'm gonna give it to you in this video. Keep watching. So what I will give you is a gift card, and you can redeem at redeem.adobe.com, and I explain you how to do it. You just need to log in here, and you need to enter your redemption code after you logged in with your email. So I'm now adding my PIN code here, the redemption code. What you have to do is just comment on the comment box down below and tell me why you need Adobe Firefly and the Adobe Cloud. I will pick one comment every 10, and I reach out and I send you the code for unlimited credits and the 3 months. Finish, you click redeem code, and then you can decide to renew or not. I just put remind me later, so I don't want to renew in this case, but you can add a credit card if you want, and then just click on get started, and you'll enter your Creative Cloud. You can see here we have all the different models. You have Gemini, Flux, GPT, Image, Runway, and then you have the proprietary, which is a Firefly image. Also, if you go on video, you can see we have a Veil, we have Runway, Kling, Pika, Ray2, everything pretty much. And if we go on top, you can also see that we have all the other packaging like Photoshop, Lightroom, etc. So I'm trying to generate one image now. It says you have unlimited generation, so I click to proceed, and then here we are. Here is the first generation. Yeah, really clean, high quality as well. For this one I use Firefly Image 5, but you can use the model that you like. Then we go on another one, we test Firefly video, and we go to generate just a basic video of a glass sphere floating with a lot of colors, punchy colors. It's pretty quick. You can also edit your video. This is really fantastic. So once the video is done, you can just edit straight away directly from the page. A few settings you can modify. You can use the current frame as first frame, prompt to edit clip, and you can open it on Premiere or Firefly. So it's pretty smooth if you want to edit your video. Make sure you drop your comment below and subscribe so you'll see when I announce the winners. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you next time.